In this video, I am going to teach you how to buy an Amazon gift card for someone else. This is a quick and easy way to send a thoughtful gift without worrying about shipping. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send it straight to their inbox or phone. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon.com and in the search bar type gift card. Press enter and you'll see a variety of gift card options appear on your screen. Next, click Shop All Gift Cards. This will take you to a page with all the designs and formats available. Now you can choose different card types. For this video, I'll select e-gift card. This option sends your gift digitally, making it fast and convenient. After that, input the amount you want to gift. Amazon will let you choose from preset amounts or type in your own. Then, enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Make sure you double check it so it goes to the right person. You can also add a personal message and choose the date you want it sent. This is a great way to make the gift feel more personal. Finally, scroll up and click Buy Now. Amazon will process your order and the gift card will be delivered automatically. And that's how you buy an Amazon gift card for someone else. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tech guides. See you next time!